Hi, my name is Jaia and I did my CELTA in Cardiff and received a Pass A grade. One of the things I did to help myself prepare for the course was go through Jo Gakonga's CELTA Toolkit, which is really available on her website ELT-Training. I found the toolkit to be a wonderfully rich resource, and it really laid the foundations for the topics covered in my input sessions during the CELTA course itself. I love Jo's style of teaching. It's very relaxed and informal, but it's also extremely thorough, and Jo kindly shares her wealth of teaching knowledge and experience in the toolkit itself. I love that it covered topics that were really important during the CELTA, so things like language analysis, lesson planning, looking at teaching vocabulary, grammar, different skills. It was really helpful as well that Jo covered the 4 different assignments which come up during your CELTA course, and I felt so well prepared going into the CELTA, having already done some research and had the information that I learned from the CELTA Toolkit. I especially like that Jo takes the time to look at common issues and pitfalls that come up during the CELTA and how to remedy these or avoid them. So I want to say a big thank you to Jo and for the CELTA Toolkit, and if you're preparing for your CELTA or if you're right in the middle of it, I highly recommend having a look at the toolkit as it's a wonderful resource. So good luck if you are doing your CELTA, and thank you so much, Jo.